Today, I'm going to show you how to check your Wix email inbox in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix website and let the dashboard load fully. On the left side, click Inbox. This is where all your messages and customer inquiries are stored. Once you're inside the inbox, click All Conversations. This lets you see every message you've received. But if you want to make things easier, especially when you're looking for new messages, click Unread. This filters your inbox so only the messages you haven't opened yet appear. You can also click on Starred. This section is helpful if you've marked important messages or if you want to revisit mails you might have missed earlier. It keeps everything organized and easy to manage. And there you have it. That's how you check your Wix email inbox quickly and efficiently. If you liked this video, feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.